Hello everyone, Team Binary Beast presenting Saransh, an automatic text summarization ML based tool. Coming to our problem statement. As of late, there has been a blast in the measure of text data from different sources. This volume of text is a priceless source of information and knowledge. In this problem, the main objective is to automatic text summarization from different data sources. Major places where text summarization is needed. Let's see. Creating summary. So our first real life problem is related to teachers and students. It is not feasible to convey the long text in a short duration of a class. In order to give short summary of the long text, we need a summarization tool. Next is reading from the net. During web browsing, we came across a long text like a Wikipedia page and we just want to get a brief idea of it and just overview. So in this scenario, we required a text summarization tool. Reading books. If you want read something but you have less time and reading that thing is important. Feedback and review. Reading feedback is time consuming but it is important to read the feedback. Sometimes you got stuck in too many of the feedback forms that require lot of time as well as energy. So what's our solution Saransh include? In our solution, user input long text in our input section and he or she get the summarized output along with the JSON output. We did with the help of machine learning model GPT-3. So we provide text summarization in two ways. Firstly Telegram bot and second our website. Coming to our chatbot. So this is our working Telegram chatbot. User input text on chatbot and immediately get the summarized text out of it. Moreover, user can input PDF file. As you can see, after uploading PDF file, waiting for a few seconds, he or she get the summarized output. So coming to our website, let's see how our website works. This is our front end of our website. We provide user two options. Firstly is summarized text. In summarized text, user input copied text in the input section and on clicking submit button, he get the summarized text output along with the JSON output. Secondly is summarized PDF. In this, user get the summarized text and JSON output by just uploading a PDF file on it. You can see user uploaded a PDF file and on clicking the submit button he get the summarized text output from it. So this is all from the team Binary Beast. Thank you.